How to fix the file format is not supported on WhatsApp problem. If you are facing this kind of issue where the file format is not supported on the WhatsApp, then follow these steps. Firstly, check for updates that may be available for the WhatsApp app. To check for updates, open Play Store or App Store on your device. After that, go to the search bar on the top and search for the WhatsApp application. If there's an update option available on WhatsApp, then click on the update option to update your app. If there are no updates available, then go back to your home page. Now from your home page, open the WhatsApp application on your device. As you can see here that these files are supported on WhatsApp. Make sure that you check what files are supported on WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, maybe some files are not supported. You can do a quick search on the Google to find out what kind of files are supported on WhatsApp. WhatsApp commonly supports formats like JPEG, PNG, MP4, MP3, PDF, doc, and PPT. If your current file format is not supported, then try converting it to a supported format. You can convert your file using a file converter apps or websites. You can also try to rename the file extensions. You can try renaming it to .jpeg or .jpg. If your mobile app is not supporting, then try using a WhatsApp web for desktop version. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.